Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your update for Thursday, September 18th. Now, it's kind of a boring day for the weather. We got some decent weather. We have some showers over the weekend a little bit, but today I thought I covered the weather pretty good yesterday. So today I thought I would show some of you snow lovers kind of what long range is showing. I don't necessarily know if this is going to happen for real, but it is coming up on the long range GFS model. So I figured I would at least run through it. This is kind of where snow is currently, and you can see up here in eastern Canada they have some snow. But as we move this thing out a little further, as we get to around September 30th, you can see it's starting to come down here in the Colorado Rocky Mountain Range through here. It's just beginning to show a little snow there, and you can see it's basically higher elevations out there. This takes you to around the 6th of October. I'll move this out. This is around the 11th of October. Now, we're above normal down here right now, but again, these are the areas where the cold sets up and there is snow, and we want to get a snowpack to our north for sure. And as you can see, there seems to be right around the 11th or the 12th a pretty good storm right up here in southern Canada up here. So we're going to figure there's a low pressure system going to be south of that. And then as you can see, as it goes by, it does do something in Pennsylvania. You can look right through here. This is around the 14th and the 15th. And again, higher elevations, not the lower elevations. To me, if this was to happen, there's probably a storm off the coast. Higher elevations get into the snow, the normally colder areas, and then it probably melts just as quick as it shows up. But this is around the 5th, 14th, 15th of October. And if we move this out a little bit further, there doesn't look like there's any more accumulation. These are 7-day increments. And then as we get out towards the end of October, no snow right now. This takes you to around the 27th of October, and you can start to see there's no more. But there's that one possibility in there. And again, that's just showing somewhere around the 14th and the 15th. And this is completely for the snow lovers out there. That this is the GFS control model long range. Okay, so currently there's a few showers off the coast of New Jersey and Delaware, which could sneak on around the shoreline this afternoon, but they're moving out of the way as we get through the evening hours and they're gone. We're basically good overnight, and then on Friday, there's some showers to the north that could skim along the northern border, but not very much of a chance. This is Friday night around 7 o'clock, and you can see a couple of pop-up storms down here that can give a shower, quick shower that's a little heavier, and that's about it. And you can see they move off to the south overnight, and then as we get into Saturday, there's again late afternoon some pop-up thunderstorms, especially out in western PA. And you can see then they kind of fade out as it goes through the nighttime hours, and then we get into Sunday and again, some showers off of Jersey and Delaware there, but nothing over Pennsylvania as we go through the afternoon. Okay, so your temperature is basically Friday morning. Temperatures 50s in the higher elevations and to the north, and then down south this way here we have upper 50s to lower 60s. And then Friday afternoon, basically if you're north of 70, or north of 80, I should say, you're probably in the 70s. And if you're south of 80, you're probably in the upper 70s to mid 80s as you get towards the I-95 corridor and out by Pittsburgh. And then Saturday morning, especially if you're in northern, north central, northeastern PA, definitely cold. Temperatures will be in the 40s. Yesterday it showed some 30s, but right now it's kind of showing low 40s. And then as you go further south, temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s. And then during the afternoon on Saturday, temperatures across the state are in the 70s, across Jersey, 70s, Delaware, 70s. You got to go out by Pittsburgh and extreme southwestern part of PA to find temperatures in the mid 80s. And Sunday morning, pretty chilly in the eastern part of PA and northern New Jersey. Temperatures drop into the upper 40s to around 50. And then you go down towards south central PA and southwestern PA, temperatures will hold in the low to mid 60s. And then Sunday afternoon, kind of the same thing. Out by Pittsburgh, Western PA, temperatures get into low to mid 80s, and everybody else, Jersey, Delaware, and the rest of Pennsylvania, basically low to mid 70s. All right, that's your weather. Everybody take care, be safe.